Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the language in Pragmata. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From here, navigate to Language. In this menu, there are only two options that interest us: the voice language and the display language. Voice language, as the name suggests, adjusts the voice playback language. Display language changes the text and menu language. So, for example, if I would change this to French and leave the voice language at English, as you can see, all menus turned to French, while the speaking language will remain in English. Of course, there are many different language packs to choose from. There is Japanese, English, French, Italian, German, Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, Chinese, Korean, and Spanish. For only the voice language, and there are more for the display language. I won't scroll through all of them, but honestly, if you are playing this game, you can probably play it in your native language, and I think that's great. But anyway, of course, once you adjust the settings, you can back out of the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.